Tracking how a document has evolved over time is easy using the built-in version tracking functions of the mFiles desktop application. Not only does mFiles allow authorized users to view a detailed activity feed summarizing changes to a document's metadata and contents, we can also see how the document has changed from version to version. Here we can see that this document is up to version number 11. This means that either the document contents or metadata have changed 11 times since the document was created. We can use the mFiles preview pane to see at a glance how the document's contents have changed between different versions. But sometimes we might want to delve into this a little more deeply. Say for example we want to examine the differences between version 11 and version 1 of this document. We simply open the document in Microsoft Word, and thanks to mFiles' built-in integration with Microsoft 365 applications, we are able to click on the mFiles menu and select the Compare tool. We then click on the version we wish to compare against, and Microsoft Word will rearrange itself to give us a detailed overview of the differences between these two versions. In the far left-hand pane, we can see a summary of the revisions between the two versions. Here in the centre, we can see the track changes between version 11 and version 1, and in the right-hand panes, we can see how the document looked in version 1 at the top and how the version currently looks in version 11. After examining the two versions, we might decide that we would like to roll the document back to how it appeared in version 1. By selecting the version we would like to roll back to, we now have the option to roll the document back to the older version. mFiles has now created version 12, which is identical to version 1, and we can confirm this using the document preview pane on the right-hand side. You'll also notice that mFiles stacks version changes on top of each other without creating a new copy of the document each time a new version is created. This feature helps us to avoid version confusion, as there is no need to store separate copies of the document in the repository in order to retain previous versions. This all means that it is virtually impossible to accidentally open an out-of-date version of the document for editing. We can be 100% certain that every time a user opens up a document, it is the latest version of that document. To learn more about how mFiles can solve version control problems in your organisation, contact the team at Innovative Content Management today to schedule a free consultation. Thanks for watching.